Hello guys, my name is Rinki Sharma and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this video is going to be very important for the beginners. So guys, at first let me know, do you want to learn English? Yes, everyone wants to learn English. We know that. And it has always been your dream to be fluent in English speaking. So guys, what you have to do? You don't know about it, but you know one thing, that I have to speak in English. That's a very good thing, that you are dreaming like that one day I could be a good speaker. But are you doing something for this? Literally not. Yes guys, a lot of people, they are not doing anything for that. They are just keep dreaming that I have to be a good speaker. So we know that one thing, that without any hard work, paying any hard work, how could you get any kind of thing in your life? We know that this is the gospel truth. So sometimes we know that what we have to do, but how we have to do, this is the very big question. We know that we have to speak in English, but I would like to tell you one thing. Whenever you speak in your native language, so at first what do? You never translate it. You just directly speak about it. Am I right? So but when it comes about English language, we are going to translate in our mind. This is the truth, but a lot of people, they are not going to agree it. Like they feel that no, we are not doing that. It's directly coming in our mind. Not possible. Literally, it's not possible. Without thinking in your mind, without translating in your mind, how could you speak any single word, single sentences? This is really not possible. So what we have to do, the same thing we have to do with our speaking. Yes guys, whatever you are just thinking, you have to speak with, means you have to translate by speaking whatever you are just doing in your mind. Sometimes what we do, if we have to say yaha aao, that time we translate it at we start translating in our mind, and then we could speak about it. Yaha aao, that means come here. Okay, so you might have thought once that what would be the sentence, and you might have translated it in your mind, and then you speak about it. Okay, so what happens whenever we just do this kind of things? So we feel that we are just getting stuck. We are not able to speak with anyone, because there are a lot of time takes to translate this kind of things. But this is the way you have to do like that. And trust me, if you do the practice like that, what I'm going to share here, so you could speak better English without translation. Yes guys, so whatever you are just translating in your mind, you have to speak openly. And this kind of practice you can do alone at your home. You don't need anyone to do this kind of practice. So at first what you have to do, so suppose you have to choose one character. Suppose I'm going to take one character name, it's the Mohan. Okay, so the Mohan is the character, and about Mohan I can speak 10 to 20 sentences. Yes guys, you have to do like that. So I feel that you are getting a little bit what I am just trying to speak here. So guys, suppose I have taken a name Mohan. So I have to say Mohan dance करता है. Mohan dances. Mohan dance नहीं करता है. Mohan doesn't dance. क्या मोहन डांस करता है? Does Mohan dance? क्या मोहन डांस नहीं करता है? Doesn't Mohan dance? मोहन क्यों डांस करता है? Why does Mohan dance? मोहन डांस क्यों नहीं करता है? Why doesn't Mohan dance? मोहन कल डांस कर रहा था. Mohan was dancing yesterday. क्या कल मोहन डांस कर रहा था? Was Mohan dancing yesterday? क्या मोहन कल डांस करेगा? Will Mohan dance tomorrow? क्या मोहन कल डांस कर रहा होगा? Will Mohan be dancing tomorrow? So you could see, I have taken one name and I had made a lot of sentences. You could do your practice like that. At first, we know that speaking and asking question would be little bit stuckness, would be little bit tough, or it will be hard nut to crack. But so for this, what you could do, at first you should start the affirmative sentences. Means you have to say some if I have taken Mohan, so you could say like Mohan dance करता है, Mohan dances, Mohan स्कूल जाता है, Mohan goes to school, मोहन रोज सुबह 5 बजे उठता है, मोहन wakes up 5 o'clock early in the morning, वो पार्क जाता है, he goes to the park, वो बच्चों के साथ खेलता है, he plays with the kids, वो मेरे साथ बात करता है, he talks to me, वो कभी भी झूठ नहीं बोलता है, he never speaks a lie, वो हमेशा सबकी रिस्पेक्ट करता है, he respects everyone, वो अपनी माँ बाप की हर बात को सुनता है, he obeys his parent. So you could make this kind of sentences and you can do your practice. And literally guys, this is going to be very easy for you. So now this time, whatever you have to do in your mind, you have to speak openly. Yes guys, we have to do this kind of practice and let your mind accept this kind of sentences. So I'm telling you, you would never get stuck because this is going to be your habit. Everyday practice makes any kind of person very perfect. Yes. So we have to translate it. We should not deny this the fact of this. This is the gospel truth. We translate in our mind. And suppose that and tell me one thing, the person who is talking right now fluently and very good at their speaking, so what do you think? They are just speaking without any practice, without any translating, without any kind of doing hard work. Are they speaking like that? No, everyone has to do this kind of things, but they don't want to consider it. After learning that, they start denying that I'm not going to translate it in my mind, I haven't done this ever in my mind. So they are just not actually sharing you the truth, what's actually goes in our mind. So what we have to do, you should do this kind of things by speaking loudly. Yes guys, so whatever is going in your mind, you have to speak loudly and you have to learn like that. You have to speak, you have to make a lot of sentences, and whenever you think that yes, that time you feel that yes, I could speak about myself, anybody else, or maybe any kind of character, you would definitely feel very confident about it. Yes guys, just do this kind of things and try to do a lot of try to make a lot of sentences. I had shared here only a little bit, but you guys have to do a lot of sentences. You have to make a lot of sentences. Try to frame those sentences one by one, and take a pause, think about it, what would be the exact line, what would be the exact correct sentences, and then you have to speak. Yes guys, this is the way you can improve yourself. And I would like to tell those kind of people who thinks that it's not a piece of cake. Yeah, literally it's not a piece of cake, but once you should try, because if you only keep thinking that I can speak but you are doing nothing, so who is going to improve? None, no one. So that's the things you have to at least start. So guys, I hope you are getting me properly here, and if you just want to ask any question or if you want to join my online classes, so you guys can do comment. And guys, if you really like my video, so you should not only watch this, but you have to press like button also. Yes guys, it's mean a lot for us. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you like this video, please subscribe and share, and let me know about this video in the comment box. Thank you guys.